People are running for their lives. They're abandoning their cars.
宮城県には5メートルの箱、大津波警報が予測されています。到達時間は3時、今現在3時6分。まだ海面の変化はないと思われます。
This person's running.
津波が来ました。早く逃げて車。
There's the water. Dude on a motorcycle. Cars still driving. Oh, you can see the water spilling up on the street here now. Oh man! Okay, so now it's just completely engulfed from, you know, our north coming up to our south here. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah. Look at the cars. There they go. It's even worse. What you gotta wonder is, are the people that were watching even safe? It's almost up to these people now. And that's what's crazy. Like, now you're starting to see all of these buildings. Like, the cars are obviously fucked, but like the buildings are now getting swept away. Like, nothing with water is so heavy, it's so powerful, nothing stands in its way. All of the structures we see here are gone, and they're moving, and they will get taken back out to sea. Oh man, that's insane. I can't believe these people. Who knows though? Like, I don't really know how soon this stuff like gets reported to you. How soon is anyone supposed to know or understand? I mean, all those cars got abandoned in the middle of the street, so clearly this is not something that people are able to know about very quickly. You know, you just have to abandon your cars, get up as high as you possibly can, and hope for the best. And that's crazy. There's nothing left. The entire buildings are moving. I'm surprised the person that's filming this building isn't moving. Nothing is safe.
何もかも流されてます。
It's almost like every time this dude cuts to a new scene, I'm seeing like an entirely new place that I saw completely fine, completely destroyed. Like I'm trying to comprehend exactly what I'm saying, but like I feel like I saw that place with the red roof completely fine, and now I'm seeing it completely destroyed.
あれ、あそこが丸木さんってことはうちがないんだ。あ、いいや。あ、いいや。大丈夫だよ。なんだと思うな。
Man. Wow. Now it's nighttime, and all you have to deal with is insane fire and hell around you.
河北ビルには今59名、避難しております。今からこの火を、どうにか抜け出して市民会館の方に向かいたいと思います。現在11時、河北新報のビルの屋上です。
Probably electrical.
火はどうにか食い止めて、そこでストップしています。ただ津波の第3波4波5波、襲ってきます。
Electrical mixing with all these
市内
flammable
の至る所
things.
から煙と火が、
As a violent mudslide ripped through the streets. Watch as debris piles by the culverts and a cow tries desperately to keep its head above water.
Not the fucking cows. No! I think I just saw another one go by, honestly. Go!
Moments later, our cameraman pivots to film what looked like a small mobile home, or a shipping container that had been converted into an office.
Oh my god! It's coming in hot! Oh, it's going so fast! Oh my god, look out, cow! That's the cow. I see the cow. It just got pushed. The cow has been pushed. You can see it in the corner of this pool here. It's gotten pushed by all this wood debris back in. It got sucked back into the current, but it got pushed back toward the side by all the wood. Amazing. Lucky.
Were getting dangerous, especially after the container clogged.
And the container clogged it. Exactly. Yes.
Culvert, causing mud and debris to pile near the sides.
Now
Our
we're gonna
cameraman
have some
moved down
flooding.
underground when he noticed people pointing and screaming at the mudslide. That's when he noticed something, or rather someone, trying to escape.
Oh, there's a human in there. Oh! And the cow's coming out too. Look at that. Move, cow. Come on, baby.
The woman, later identified as Evangelina Diaz, had fallen in while walking along the riverbank. She clung to a tree branch and several pieces of wood to stay afloat.
Very
Thanks to help
lucky.
from her neighbors,
Lucky
she
human,
escaped the
too.
mudslide with only a few cuts and bruises. As for the cow, it also escaped unharmed. When this video was recorded, 750 districts around Peru had declared states of emergency. At least 62 people had lost their lives, over 100 were injured, and roughly 60,000 were displaced after record-setting rain caused similar levels of destruction around the country.
Wild.
When an insane mudslide raced down the mountains and tore through the village. It began with a strange noise on August 7th. The locals claim they heard a rumbling sound between 3 and 4 minutes before the mudslide arrived. That sound, quite simply, was unthinkable amounts of mud and debris racing downhill at blistering speeds.
Wow. Wow. Everything's wrapped up in that. Trees, everything. It's not even going into that little ditch. It's everywhere. What even is that? Look at it. It's like concrete or something. Like, that is the craziest looking substance. Wow! Get the fuck out of there, lady. What are you doing? Move! It looks like freaking asphalt.
You'll quickly notice how the mudslide changed the landscape from this vantage point on Google Maps. You can see where Grunier dug and built sturdy rock walls on either side of the drainage system to avoid a repeat. We're also glad the yellow house is still standing as of 2024. Thankfully, nobody was hurt during the 2017
She's
event.
crazy.
The mudslide did not cause
She just stood there and was like,
Cleanup
cool.
was a pain, but in hindsight, things could have been much worse.
She's like, that's pretty neat.
The mudslide originated in a mountain stream after heavy storms swept through the area. Melting winter snow also added to the overflow. Something like this, covering an area the size of Arizona.
Oh man, like that's all rock. That's all rock from the mount, because Pakistan's such a mountainous place. And that's all just giant boulders. You'd instantly die if you were caught in that. You'd be crushed dead instantly. It's insane, the force. Water is so heavy, plus all of that extra like kinetic energy from the mountains. You've got all this downward slope.
We believe this footage was shot near the Karakoram Highway in Upper Kohistan. Thankfully, everyone remained safe on the side, and nobody was injured as the unrelenting mudslide split the village in two.
I'm surprised the friggin' bridge is still standing. The sound it makes.
The 2022 floods occurred after Pakistan received more than twice its annual summer rainfall. Simply put, all that extra water had nowhere to go. It washed away 2 million homes and destroyed roughly 4 million acres of farmland. Roads and bridges were destroyed, meaning rescue and aid workers couldn't help those stranded on the other side. Many struggled long after the rain subsided, as they were left without electricity, food, and clean drinking water well into 2023.
Wow.
It was January 24th of 2016.
Yeah,
A
be
group of
mindful.
hikers was crossing a narrow street.
Yeah, let's just help these people across it while it's happening.
When their guide heard something in the distance, something that made his skin crawl. To the hikers, it sounded like a passing airplane. Thankfully, the guide knew exactly what was coming.
Holy shit, man! Whoa! You're so lucky. You're so lucky. Look at that force. Look at that speed. Dead.
The danger had passed, but the group could not risk crossing again until everything had stopped. Many of them stood there for several minutes, reflecting on what they narrowly avoided. All seemed normal on the winding mountain road until a mudslide nearly deleted their car. The mud was on them in seconds.
Deleted.
The impact is so great that the CCTV camera can hardly hold on. All you can see
Wow.
of the car are its taillights cutting through the dust as
The camera is shaking and it's a ways away.
endless amounts of debris pummel the top. We can only imagine what it sounded like inside, mixed with the sound of everyone screaming. The chaos soon subsides, and miraculously, 2 men emerge. A third stumbles his way out, but soon makes it to safety. They're understandably shell-shocked, but they're not about to abandon their final passenger. With no way of knowing if the landslide is over, they rush back and pull a fourth person from the mangled vehicle. Thankfully, all 4 men survived the ordeal. Their car, however, was a total loss.